ordinance, two-wheeler owners still get to buy petrol without wearing helmet. Helpless disabled siblings seek government help. UCM appeals to people to take part in October procession. Hello and a very warm welcome. You're watching Times of Manipur. Now the news in detail. Two-wheeler vehicle owners ignore wearing helmets despite government's order. It may be recalled that the Manipur Traffic Police has asked all petrol pump owners to refuse serving those without helmet. However, hardly a couple of fuel outlets are following the orders.
The state government and Manipur Traffic Police passed an ordinance last year that no person riding two-wheeler vehicle without wearing helmet shall be allowed to buy petrol from the petrol pumps. On the contrary, no one is complying with the rule. The reason behind the failure of any ordinance in the state is due to the fact that public fail to understand the need to follow ordinances which are passed for public benefit only. SP of Manipur Traffic Police Krishnam Sharma said, the main reason for the failure in implementing the law is that the total strength of traffic police personnel is too less. Moreover, owners of the petrol pumps failed to cooperate with the traffic police.
Actually, every petrol pump khuding makta akoigi traffic ki manpower si wat panina akoine petrol pump khudingi chalan kaknaba team or penalize tonaba team si akoina thaba ngamdabana maram oirakanda no helmet no petrol si petrol pump khuding makta akoina enforce toba ngamjade tobigu masung as a civic responsibility petrol pump bu chalai biriba ichilinau singna hairiba rule asi akoigi rule of law amoina leirabana makoina masigi enforce tobasida mateng pangbiragadi masi amuka hena mai pakpo ogani habasi thamjanengi.
To check the ground reality, a team of reporters from Tom TV visited some of the main petrol pumps in and around the city. Only a couple of petrol pumps had put up signboard reading no helmet, no petrol.
Two girl siblings have been living a distressful life due to hardship nugged into by their physical condition. Here's the report.
Laikuram Kheroda and Laikuram Kamala are among 8 siblings of a family. Kheroda is the 6th and Kamala is the 5th of the 8 siblings. They were born to Laikuram Mohanjao and late Surjamukhi of Top Mayailekai. Both girls were normal till they were in 12th standard. However, they started having physical problems and became paralytic gradually. Despite getting treatments in various hospitals outside the state, their ailment has remained uncured. Talking to our correspondent, their older sister, Radhamani, who chose to remain single to take care of her sisters, said that she has tried all that she could. There is no one for their help. Grateful Kamala, on the other hand, thanked the local MLA and the Pradhan member for providing her a wheelchair and the disabled certificate respectively.
Convener of Mobilization Subcommittee UCM Nangum Deva has informed that the committee is all set for October mass procession. More than 2 lakh people are expected to take part in the mass procession. He appealed to all educational institutions to remain open on the day of procession.
Nagar Panchayat Lady Jila Parishad Gram Panchayat Masisu Yang Haitabatari, Masia support Bibi Damak, a mobilization subcommittee convener Moina, Mrs. Hanali tonight, Tagachabu.
Search operations continue in and around the main markets of Imphal city after Nagamapal bomb blast. Police picked up 20 people without proper identification from Mejakul today. Transport Commissioner M. Lakshmi Kumar and his official team today inspected the 11 AR helipad Moray, where the helicopter on trial for Imphal Moray is going to land. It is worth mentioning that the trial is scheduled for October 29. It's time for a short break. Keep watching Times of Manipur. Welcome back. A two-day faith-based leaders meet on climate policy organized by Directorate of Environment, Government of Manipur has kicked off at Diocesan Social Service Society, Mantipukri today. The leaders meet was organized under the objective of deliberating on the existing policies on climate change and environment in one platform. It will help integrate Manipur State Action Plan on Climate Change version 2. Speaking at the leaders meet, advisor to the climate change, Manipur, and Mohendro said that without destruction, there will be no creation. But human beings do not understand the limitation. As such, humans face natural calamities at times.
We are created, we human beings, as well as destroyers. We create as well as destroyers. And we do not know how and where to stay and where to stop. This is perhaps the challenge before us. We human beings, people on art, create as well as destroy.
Helping Hands for People of Manipur is organizing a mega blood donation camp at RIMS at Caesar Hospital from 9:30 a.m. to 3 p.m. on 27th October. The main objective of the camp is to help the cancer and kidney failure patients and assist the weaker section of the society.
Addressing media persons at a press meet held at Manipur Press Club, Major Khul today, General Secretary of Helping Hands for People of Manipur, Premjit Moirangthem, said that the camp will be organized in the name of Olympus. He further mentioned that the organization started running full-fledgedly after Olympus, a 5-year-old boy from Kumbi, died of blood cancer at RIMS. He appealed to everyone to participate in the mega blood donation camp on October 27 to fulfill the needs of thousands of cancer and kidney patients. He further urged each and everyone to cooperate with the organization to make the program a success.
Tasengna karamba mongda horakibno haibdugi charokpa ai matem tang thamjage 2017 gi March tha sida Olympus ko wa nga amakha khoi kumbi tigi ni masagi chahi manga khatang ngai ba nga amakha blood cancer na RIMS da lying bai pukhalakibani magi anaba china maram oiraga mangonda huge amount of blood se darkar leibadagi magi health condition jam social le na koi social media da sum mayam jin thenar kodagi then ekoi mayam punjal laga magi da mutai EPG na sum mayam amaga sum pau khona badagi phare da di mayam numit amal lepna raga pisen to date 23rd of March masida koi lepna kibani adubu unfortunately ma si numit se koina EP ba chatpa matam sida koi hospital sigi staff sigi strike to leramba ade akoi ji EP ba ngam yadre yadabadagi phare da di 27 ta pirase na amu reschedule to raga koi je loina hannare adu matang dagi 27 da pi na lepna ru matang da 26 ki evening da Olympus hariba angang si lai khidawani adubu ma gi maming da koi keno si blood donation camp se pangthokani na lep lormina adum pangtho se na 27th of March da koi pangthokpani.
Now let's have a look at some of the top stories from the local dailies.
Sangai Express. Chief Minister flags off second phase of MST bus service. Christians raise regularized churches call. Chief Minister bats for unity on Mera Hauchongba. The People's Chronicle. Chief Secretary led panel to peruse graft cases on October 30. CBI Director divested of charge. Opposition smells a rat. Chopper service for Tamenglong Moray from October 29. Imphal Free Press. Biren loses third best Chief Minister rank. Were the celebrations premature? Chief Minister flags off second phase of MST bus service. Introduces 7 new routes at ISBT. JAC against construction of Mapithel Dam calls 48 hours band. The Morning Bell. Need to integrate and unlock the potential of the Northeast region, Chief Minister. Winter seeds distributed to farmers under MIDH.
Now let's have a look at the top stories once again. Despite ordinance, two-wheeler owners still get to buy petrol without wearing helmet. Helpless disabled siblings seek government help. UCM appeals to people to take part in October procession. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.